Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access a blocked website using the Brave browser. So this method is quick and easy, so let's get started. So first, open up the Brave on your computer, and once the browser is ready, go to the upper right corner and click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. So from the options shown here, select Settings. And after the setting page is open, look at the menu on the left side and click Privacy and Security. So this section contains the main options that Brave uses to protect your browsing activity and manage secure connections. Next, select Security. Then scroll down until you see the option to select a DNS provider. Click the drop-down menu beside it and choose Cloudflare. So DNS helps your browser find and connect to websites. So changing the provider to Cloudflare 1.1 may help when a website is restricted by your default DNS settings. And as soon as you select it, Brave will automatically apply the change. And finally, return the address bar and enter the website that you want to visit. The page may now open using the new DNS provider. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.